What's up guys? So today we're going to be focusing on price action, and this is a very important topic if you're a forex trader. So the market might seem easy since it's a two-directional market, right? Either you're buying or you're selling. But as you all know that the market is not as that simple. You need to properly analyze the market. Otherwise, everybody would have been a millionaire. So you need to properly analyze the charts and then have a clear directional bias. So before we start, please click go to our description, join our group, and then also subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the like button. That will also help us. And then if you are interested in more content or in signals or whatever that you see, you can simply go to the group description and join our WhatsApp group link and our Telegram channel. So today we are going to be focusing on what we call price action. So what is price action? So price action is simply the representation of chart data that allows the interpretation of chart movements through indication of support and resistance. So what price action is simply allows us to analyze the market properly and have a clear directional bias and to enter the market with confidence, right? So price action, for us to start with price action, we need to understand what is called market structure. We need to understand what is called price action includes what we call market structure. So what is market structure? So market structure it simply helps us to understand the behavior and the conditions and the current flow of the market, and it also highlights support and resistance levels, swing highs and swing lows. So we have three different types of market structure that we have. So the first market structure that we have is called an uptrend. So the first market structure that we have is called an So you must be asking yourself, how do you know that we are in an uptrend? So for us to understand or know that we are in an uptrend, the market should be creating higher high and higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high and higher low. So that's how we identify whether we are in an uptrend or we are in a downtrend. So if the price is creating higher highs and higher lows, it indicates that we are in an uptrend, and price will be breaking the highs, as you can see right here. Price will be breaking the highs like this. This shows that the market is still bullish. So as long as price is creating higher highs and higher lows, it indicates that we are in an uptrend or we are in a downtrend, right? So as long as the market is in high, we are in an uptrend. However, the moment that the market fails to create a new high, it actually indicates a loss of momentum and a possible reversal. So like as you can see right here, the market failed to break the previous high. As you can see, this was the previous high, and then the market failed to create a previous high, and actually the market created higher low like this. So this actually indicates that there is a loss in momentum, and then a possible reversal is imminent. So that's what you need to understand when you are trying to identify an uptrend. So the market will be simply creating high highs. This is a high high, as you can see by the arrow right here. This is a high high. This is a high low, high high, high low, high high, high low, and then the market creates a lower high, which indicates a loss in momentum, and then price actually drops. And then if following higher highs and higher lows, if price fails to break the new high, it indicates a loss in momentum. I'm repeating this because it is very, very important, and then you need to understand this. So we are done with an uptrend. And also, how would we trade an uptrend, right? We would trade an uptrend at this low. It would be wise for you to enter a buy at this low right here, after indicating that this is an uptrend and then it's creating high highs and high lows. It would be wise for you to enter a buy at this low right here and then set your take profit above the previous high, like this, as you can see right here. So this would give you a confidence when you're actually entering the market, because the market is at a clear support right here, at a clear uptrend, and then the market tested this area, this support right here, this diagonal support or a trend line, and then it moved up. So it will give us the confidence to properly enter our trades. So the other thing that we need to understand is, if price breaks this trend line right here, this trend line, it could actually indicate a possible reversal. For example, if you're in an uptrend, right, and then you have entered, and then price broke this trend line, you shouldn't still hold that trade. You should close all trades, because it actually indicates a possible reversal. So it would be smart. So if price breaks this trend line like this and then reaches this, would actually indicate that the market is now trying to move downwards. So we're done with uptrend. Okay, The second market structure that we have is the downtrend.
Over 100,000 winners in the EcoCash USD promotion. Transact $10 or more weekly on your EcoCash.
I'm outside.
So the second market structure that we have is what we call the downtrend. So the second market structure that we have is called a downtrend. So obviously the market will be moving. The market will be moving downwards like this. So how do we identify that the market? How do we identify that the market is in a downtrend? So the market will be creating. So the market will be creating lower highs. So for us to identify if we are in a downtrend, the market will be creating lower highs and lower lows, and then failing to break the lower high. So the market will be moving like this right here. The market will be creating let me do that again. So for us to identify if we are in a downtrend, the market will be creating lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, and then failing to break the previous lower high. So the market will be moving like this: lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. So actually this indicates that we are actually in a downtrend. So this actually indicates that we are in a downtrend because the market is creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, and then failing to break the previous lower high. This area here. As you can see, price is failing to break the lower highs, which indicates that the market is still bearish. As you can see right here, the market is still bearish because the market is failing to break the lower highs. So our clear direction will be sell. So how would we capitalize if you are trading? Like if you are trading, so I would advise you to enter. And sell. So obviously, like if the market is in a downtrend like this, we will be clearly looking for sales, and the opposite is true for uptrends. So we'll be looking for sales. So it would be wise for us to enter here. And then close before this low right here for sales, and then we'll set our trend line slightly above this area, this lower high, and then we will sell. So how do we identify that the market has lost the market has lost momentum. So you can simply identify that the market in a downtrend has lost momentum, it is now looking very bullish. If the market was creating highs, high lows like this, high highs, high lows, high highs, high lows, high highs. As we said before, price was failing to break the previous low high. So we identify that we are in a downtrend. If price breaks the previous high, that would indicate that the price is now looking bearish. So if price breaks this high, there are two scenarios that may happen. Price might create a new let me do this. So if we are in a downtrend, so price will be creating lower highs and lower lows, lower highs and lower lows, lower highs, failing to break the previous lower high, as you can see, and then low. However, when price breaks this previous high, it indicates a change in the directional bias of the market, right? That the market is about to buy. So the market might also create a new high right here, and then actually go up. So that's how you would identify. That's how you would identify whether it is. That's how you would identify an uptrend and a possible reversal in the market direction, right? And also when you are entering the market, right, we have what we call when we are entering the market, we have what we call the flip zone right here. This area here, we call it the flip zone. So like when you are looking for sales, right, we have this area here. Price broke the support, and then the previous support became the new resistance right here. That's how you would place like your sell. That's where you would place your sales, right, like right here. This would be a high probability trade because there are many confluences, and also as you can see, the market is clearly in a direction, in a sell direction. So if you are to sell like right here around this flip zone right here, the previous support turned to new resistance right here, it would be a good entry. Then you would make proper money right here. So also when we are done with the downtrends, right, we're done with the downtrends. Okay, also the third market structure that we have. The third market structure that we have is called a ranging market. So the third market that we have is called a ranging. So the third market that we have is called a ranging. Third market that we have is called a ranging market. So the third market that we have is called a ranging market. So in a ranging market, this is the simplest market structure. So in a ranging market, we have a clear resistance right here and a clear support right here. So what price will be doing is I'm outside in it. Price will be consolidating within the support, within these parameters, support and resistance. So price will be consolidating like this. Price will be consolidating like this. So this actually indicates a ranging market, right? Like this. So in this kind of market, if it's a higher time frame, like the 4 hour, the 1 hour, and then you identify that the market is consolidating, it would be wise to take both buys and sells with confidence. So like here, you'll be looking for sales, and then when price reaches the support, then you close right here. And then also when price reaches the support area, so when price reaches the support area, you'll be looking for buys like this.
I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys and my patience. You took my heart, all my sleep, a decoration.
Like this, right here. Price will just support you. Enter your buys right here, like this. Like this. And then you place your stop loss slightly below the support area. And then you close around this area right here. The resistance area right here, and then you close. But however, I wouldn't advise you to do this for me repeatedly, because eventually the market is going to break either above or below the structure. So when you are entering the ranging market, I normally would advise you to enter also a breakout. Like if you enter, buys and sells are like within the range for a short period of time, right? And then you close, and then you wait for a breakout. If the market is to break out like this, like we're in a range like this, when the market was created, was ranging within these parameters, and then eventually the market breaks either the support or resistance. This indicates that the market has now chosen a direction, because this range market indicates an indecision within the market. So once price breaks this support right here, the high chance that it will retest right here, and then go down, or the market might create a fake out right here, and then so like the range market, or the market might create a fake out, so you have to be careful when you're trading. If you are trading a breakout, so like the market might create like a breakout, right? And then enter back like the channel, right? And then it goes up. So you need to be careful when you are trading a ranging market. And then you need other confluences for you to enter, right? So we are done with market structure for today. So we are going to, even in the future, we're going to do a detailed video of price action explaining these concepts with live market examples. So please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel, Forex Authority, and then hit the like button on the video. And then also, price action includes chart patterns. Our next video will be on chart patterns, so make sure that you subscribe and then you won't miss out. And also hit the notification bell so that you won't miss any of our videos. Thank you very much. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gonna do about it. These wheels keep rolling and rolling. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sounds like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside, front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who love me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be fucking on the single body. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I